So guys, for today's video, mag-unboxing tayo ng iPhone. Dapat iPhone 17 to eh. Kaso wala pa dito sa UAE. At saka yung sindan hindi makapaghintay. Hindi na daw talaga pwede kasi sirang-sira na daw talaga yung cellphone niya. Kaya we decided to order iPhone 16 Plus. Actually guys, ang iPhone 17 sa October 24 pa ang release dito, right, Kitty Pie? Yeah, kaso ayaw ni Erika na makapaghintay, hindi na daw pwede. Kaya ito, bumili na lang kami talaga nito para sa kanya. Actually, she don't know that it's iPhone 16 Plus. Actually, gusto niya ng black eh, kaso walang black. Kaya ito. Paano kasi yung cellphone niya, guys? Nasira, nasagasaan daw doon sa sa Cebu. So, ready to unboxing. So, this is look like, guys, the iPhone 16 Plus. Let's do this. See, this is the what's Discord. Only this one. Nothing is there. So, ipapadala namin to, guys. Air cargo. Actually, mas makasave ka talaga pag dito ka magbili kaysa Pinas. Right, Kitty Pie? It's more cheaper here than Philippines.
Yeah, much.
Yeah, even we consume the air cargo, guys. Actually, we paid this one again in the air cargo around 5,000 pesos. Pero only 2 days, right?
Yes. Similar price.
Kitty Pie, why it's not open? This one?
Power button. Is the power button?
Yeah, this is the power button, right? Yeah.
Just press and hold.
It's a little bit slim than my iPhone Pro Max.
Pro Max is different. Just the cameras and everything.
But the, what's this is same? Baby, maybe we need to charge.
Yeah.
So guys, we need to charge this one. So this is the one. Oh, okay na. This is it, guys. So, bumili din kami nito ng casing. Bukas pa darating.
Oh, they have that extra button there also.
Yeah, no. Yeah, same the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Same like this.
But camera is less.
Yeah, this is the zoom of the camera. So, the different only is the camera here.
Processor.
Ay, the processor also?
That's Pro series.
Okay, because yung Pro Max, tatlo dito, di ba? Actually, I like the iPhone 17, the orange one.
Pro Max, eh? But aluminum gets scratch and a lot of complaints about scratching.
Yeah, but I don't have chance na.
No, next year.
I waiting for iPhone 18. See, this is it. Hello, hola. Hola, iPhone. I'm here.